One area in which you may often apply your knowledge of fractions is measurement. And in particular, in Canada, although we use the metric system, when you work in trades, you will often encounter measurements in feet and inches on drawings and in other situations. And unlike the metric system, which is a 10-based system, so you use decimals more often, with feet and inches and some other imperial measures, it's very common to use fractions. And in addition, you sometimes might need to convert inches to feet or to talk about inches in terms of fractions of a foot. Remember that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So in this example, we're going to convert inches into a fraction of a foot, so we can talk about a whole measurement in terms of feet. So here, say we have a length of pipe, and that pipe is 7 feet and 3 inches long. And the little tick mark after the 7 is called a prime. You use an apostrophe usually on a typewriter keyboard, and it means feet. And then we have a dash. That's not a minus sign, it's just a separator. And then 3 and the 2 little diddle marks are again called primes. 2 primes means inches. Okay, so it's 7 feet 3 inches. So we want to convert that into only feet rather than feet and inches. And we're going to use a fraction to do that. So we already know that there's 7 whole feet because 7 is the whole number. And now we're going to make a fraction out of 3 inches. Convert that into a fraction of a foot. Well, we know that 12 inches makes up 1 whole foot. And we have 3 of 12 inches. So 3 inches is 3/12 of a foot, but that will reduce. So let's divide the top and the bottom both by 3, and that gives us 1/4. So in other words, 7 feet 3 inches is the same as 7 1/4 feet. There are some common equivalencies that you should memorize. You should know that 3 inches equals 1/4 of a foot. You should know that 4 inches equals 1/3 of a foot. You should know that 6 inches equals 1/2 a foot. You should know that 8 inches equals 2/3 of a foot. 9 inches equals 3/4 of a foot. And of course, 12 inches is equal to 1 foot.